These bitches want Nike. They looking for a check. Tell them it ain't lovely. Says she need a ring like Carmelo. Must be on that white like Othello. All she want is Nikes, but the real ones, just like you, just like me. All right, so what's going on, guys? Khord Master here, and in today's video we are looking at the chords to Frank Ocean's Nikes. Let's do this. So the first chord is an E flat major triad in root position, and then it jumps to, so this chord is clearly a second inversion to me because I can see that this is a third interval, and the third interval happens at the end of the chord. So to figure out what this is, I can take this lowest note, move it up an octave, and we can see that this is a G minor, second inversion. So again, we have E flat major root to G minor second inversion, and then it goes to, now let's look at this chord. So this chord is, I'm playing a D flat over here, and let's see what we're doing over here to kind of figure out what's happening. So first question is whether or not this is a triad. I'm gonna take this C, lowest C, move it over here. So this is a C minor in the right hand over D flat. But alternatively, we could figure out if this is actually a legitimate 7 chord by just, you know, adding the 7, which is here. And let's kind of figure out what this might actually be. I don't think it's going to be anything. I think the way that we just said it is probably the best way to kind of categorize it. But let's actually see. So if I take this and adding a D flat, it doesn't look like that's going to be anything, right? Because right away, yeah, it's definitely not. Look at this. We have these three together. So indeed, we're going to call this a C minor first inversion over D flat, and this last chord here. So this is a 6 chord, isn't it? This is a 6, E flat 6, because this is, yeah, dominant, E flat dominant 7. So this is the E flat 6. So, all right, thanks so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.